How to turn on or turn off smoke and fire alarms sound notifications on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accessibility. After click on accessibility, click on hearing enhancement. After click on hearing enhancement, scroll down and click on sound notifications. After click on sound notifications, click on open sound notifications and click on edit sound types. After click on sound types, you will see smoke and fire alarms is here. If you want to turn off smoke and fire alarms, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see smoke and fire alarms is turn off. If you want to turn on smoke and fire alarms, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see smoke and fire alarms is turn on. You will turn on or turn off smoke and fire alarms from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off smoke and fire alarms sound notifications on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.